Hi everyone, merhaba, this is Ayşenur Altan. Welcome to Turkish food recipes. In this episode, I wanna show you how I make a one-pot chicken and pasta dish with green peppers and red peppers. Very easy to make, so delicious. Let's get started. I have one big chicken breast. I had it in my freezer, and before it's thawed completely, I'm cutting in cubes. And I have my pot hot and ready. Use a big pot because we're gonna cook everything together. And first thing, I want to just partially cook my chicken until it is browned all the way. And while it's cooking, I'm gonna cut my veggies. I'm gonna use 1 onion, 2 green peppers, and some red peppers from the fridge. If you can't find, you can skip it or try with some other veggies if you have on hand. I have a nice color on my chicken. Don't let them dry too much, and I just take it out from the pan. I'm gonna add it later and cook the vegetables with some more olive oil. After adding each, first the onion and then peppers, let them cook for a while before adding the other ingredients. And next I added 2-3 cloves of garlic. And here the chicken goes again. And in lots of dishes in Turkey we use tomato paste. You can also add red pepper paste, or if it's in the season, if you have, you can use fresh tomatoes here. For the seasoning, I'm adding 1 teaspoon each salt, red pepper flakes, oregano, and ground hot red pepper, and black pepper. Again, it's up to you. You can use other spices, make it more spicy. And here I had some chicken broth which I boiled myself. It is homemade, as you can probably understand. This is again optional. If you can't find, you can use just plain water, but of course it makes a difference cooking the pasta with the chicken broth. And after I add my penne pasta, I add more water until it is somewhat closing the surface of the pasta, not too much. You can always add more water if needed, but if you add too much water, it will be soggy, so be careful while adding the hot water. And I just continue to cook, checking like every 5 minutes. After 10 minutes, check it more frequently, don't burn it. And cook until the veggies pasta is soft and soaked all the juices. It takes about 10 more minutes. You can check the pasta if it cooks, or as I said, drizzle more water to it. To serve, I grated some cheese and sprinkle more oregano and red pepper flakes. So I hope you give it a try and like it. Let me know. Give your ideas what else you would add to this beautiful pasta dish. Make sure for more recipes check my channel. I have many other dishes in my archive. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in another delicious Turkish food recipes and vlogs. Afiyet olsun.